So hi, this side Krishika Aneja. We will start today nationalism in Europe. Firstly, we will see that what nationalism is. Nationalism is a feeling of pride and belongingness towards the nation. It is a feeling that unites people and drives for the common goal. Now, lately, we will dive into the chapter and you will come to know what nationalism is we are talking about in terms of France. During 19th century, nationalism emerged as a force in France. Likewise, in ninth class, we studied with फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन क्या हुआ था उसमें फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन में वी डेल्ट कि एक लहर आई थी जिसमें फ्रांस के पीपल यूनानिमसली फॉट फॉर द फ्रीडम अब वो लहर पूरे यूरोप में फैल गई why because to get the freedom the struggles they did to achieve the freedom due to which the political and mental world of Europe changed which resulted into the nation state now we will come to know that what nation state is as we know that nation is when a group of people are bound together for the common goal now here in terms of France what the goal was to attain freedom तो अब nation state क्या था nation state ये था कि together with the citizens and with the ruler how they combine together to form the country liberate how they come together and unanimously fight for the struggle fight for the achievement and freedom they want so it should be haywire, not कि rulers is doing whatever they want. It should be unanimous. It should be together and with the consultation with the demands of the citizen. They always wanted a sense of common identity. Now ये identity लोगों को ऐसे ही नहीं मिली. ये identity लोगों को बहुत सारे struggles के बाद मिली. The struggles which finally resulted into the French Revolution. एंड द आइडिया ऑफ द नेशन अब ये फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन और नेशन का आइडिया क्या था फ्रांस में तो फ्रांस में द रिवोल्यूशन द रिवोल्ट स्टार्टेड इन 1789 इट वाज द फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन फॉर द नेशनलिज्म इन यूरोप इससे पहले कोई भी एक्सप्रेशन कोई भी रिवोल्ट नहीं किया गया था इन यूरोप And why France? Because as we all know that Europe is not small, Europe is big enough. So the revolt, the struggle started in France and later it went to all of the country. There was a major changes after the French Revolution. First, monarchy जो थी वो abolish कर दी गई थी. Second, पावर्स जो थी वो ट्रांसफर कर दी गई थी कहाँ से ट्रांसफर कर दी गई थी मोनार्की से to the citizens of the country, to the French people. अब इसमें दो आइडियाज थे फर्स्ट लापितार एंड सेकंड ला सिटियन लापितार का मतलब था यूनाइटेड कम्युनिटी एंड ला सिटियन का मतलब था equal right they started considering France as the fatherland who started considering France as a fatherland, the people who were fighting for the struggle, who were fighting for the nationalism, who were fighting for their country, they started considering France as the fatherland, as the base on which they need to stand. चौथा ये था a new flag was emerged, a tricolor flag, which was a head capable of giving them independent nation. Fifth, a national anthem was declared, a national anthem was made altogether anew, and the oath was taken. Sixth, most importantly, एक centralized administrative system बनाया गया था, जिसमें it formulated all the uniform laws for all the citizens within the territory. जितने citizens उस territory में हैं, they need to follow the same rules will be applied, and onto which एक एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव लॉ एक एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव जंक्शन था जो उनपे उनको देखता था बाय सीइंग दिस अब इतना सब कुछ हुआ चेंजेस आए मोनार्की अपने थ्रोन से हट गई नाउ बाय सीइंग दिस द रेवोल्यूशनरीज डिक्लेयर्ड दैट इट वाज द मिशन ऑफ द फ्रेंच नेशन टू लिबरेट द पीपल का मतलब क्या है टू हेल्प द पीपल ऑफ यूरोप टू बिकम नेशन एक अपना इंडिपेंडेंट नेशन होना चाहिए। और ये रेवोल्यूशनरीज ने स्टेट किया कि यूरोप ऐसा इसलिए कर रहा है, फ्रांस ऐसा इसलिए कर रहा है ताकि वो अपनी कंट्री को लिबरेट बना सके। उनके लोग जितने भी सिटीजन्स हैं, दे कम टुगेदर, दे कम अप front and fight for it. Now we will talk about कि अब ये नेशनलिज्म अभी तक फ्रांस में चल रहा था और रेवोल्यूशनरीज ने अपना टेक दिया इस पे, अब ये स्प्रेड कैसे हुआ धीरे धीरे। नाउ पहली चीज, अब ये न्यूज जो थी, जितना भी चेंजेस आए मोनार्की में या फिर जितनी भी चेंजेस आए ऑल टुगेदर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सिस्टम के अंदर, ये न्यूज जो थी बाकी सिटीज में पहुंचनी शुरू हो गई। जब ये न्यूज इधर उधर पहुंची, एवरीबडी वेंट ब्लैंक, haywire, and they did not know that what is coming up next for them. Students and other members of the nation who were educated and especially of the middle class, they settled up Jacobin clubs. Jacobin clubs we have already studied in class 9. Ab people will say, why middle class and why not upper class and lower class? We all know upper class बहुत अमीर है, they do not want anything, any change, they are all settled, they are adjusted in whichever way they want. Now poor, they do not want any changes. Why? They only need money to little survive and to run their livelihood. उनको दो वक्त का खाना मिल जाए वही बहुत है. Now for the growth of the nation, for the growth of the government, for the state, for the country to grow, only the middle class, even now, only the middle class people are struggling. Only the middle class people are putting on to their efforts, coming up in front and doing necessity. अब इनकी जितनी भी activities थी, मिडिल क्लास की जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज थी, कैंपेन्स थे, दे ऑल प्रिपेयर्ड द वे द फ्रेंच आर्मीज वांटेड। एंड जब ये चीज हो गई, द फ्रेंच आर्मीज मूव्ड लेटर इनटू मेनी अदर कंट्रीज लाइक स्विट्जरलैंड, बेल्जियम, Holland and major parts of the Italy. Now this went viral in 1790s. Later with the outbreak of revolutionary wars, जब ये wars हुए, armies बहुत सारी countries में गई, इसका outbreak ये हुआ कि the French armies began to carry the idea of nationalism in rest of the countries. They were going to another part of the country, they were going various states, various countries, and they were taking forward, they were carrying all the needs which a nationalism was needed. Next, we will learn about in 1799 how now Napoleon came into the picture and took over the political power, which we will discuss in the next video.